Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm just about to turn on the 64, but I'm going to put in this Bradley's Basic by Matthew Desmond. There's his information. And why do I do this? Because it has better commands and things that I can do things with. And it comes up already black and white. Now, what am I doing? Well, I just thought I would look at some of these discs that I found yesterday. First of all, see if they work. Oh, look at that, they do. What is this? Martin E. Rand, PhD professor. This is an early version of instructions, but the only version I had to loan. This set doesn't even mention the Billy program, the instructions on the disk. What? Okay, this is going to take more than I can do at this moment. But it works. That's good to know. Now, we're here, this thing that says T-Pug magazine. And it may just be something, just that they put a note on. I don't know. Or maybe nothing. Oh. It's Sargon. Another chess program, which I think I put in a special place. PaperClip 64C. But is it really? Yeah, looks like it. PaperClip was, well, I liked it. I did. WordPro was what I first started on, and it was fine. It was fine. But what was cooler and better for everybody were printer files. See, when WordPro came out, there was a limited number of printers, so you pretty much there wasn't a whole lot of like choosing to do. So you just it was just built in, and you picked it, and that was that. Ice pick. I have no idea what this is. But we'll find out. ISEPIC. Starpoint software. Prepare storage disk. Copy program. Run program. Edit program. Let me look here. D. I will need to look up this. Let's see. There's another thing. Maybe it's just the same thing. It looks much the same, except for this. I'm going to try this. I have no idea what it is. It's called Ace. Ice Pick Ace. It is big. It is. I'm just going to take this disc and look for where I put. I thought I put the chess program somewhere else. Oh yeah, I did. I managed to yank out the divider. Oh no. We'll have to see about that. Well, I'll put these. How did that get there? I'll put these between another couple of dividers. I shall. And we'll see. What was that noise? What is this? Start game skill level. Demonstration mode. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Six. Oh. You are watching. Obviously, it's a flying game. The air camera emulator. Instructions on reverse of inlay card. Of course. Well, let's just see what happens here. Wow. Select weapon load for your next mission. Multi-role. Let's just go for ground attack. Enter the color. Oh. This is probably their protection. And indeed, it is locked up tight. Oh well. Look, there's a reset switch on Bradley's Basic. Alright. So now here's something interesting. This is the bent disc. Is it rescuable? I don't know. Not so far. Not so far. Well, as it's not happening and it's twisted and bent, I might as well bend it some more, try and get it back, see if it makes any difference. Nope. Well, let's just try. Well, not found. Oh dear, 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 dear. Oh, and it's double-sided too. Let's try the other side. Oh well. Doesn't look too favorable so far, even though it is much straighter than it was. But it's still not happening. This would be one that if it ever does get working with something interesting, make a backup. All right. 15, 8, 15, quote. Nope, not gonna happen. Still got that waggle. So it's funny, I mean, I wish I knew what was what, if it was worth the thing. I suppose what I can do is stick it under stuff, try and flatten it. See, that was the good thing about the old phone books. Oh, another ice pick disc. I'll have to look that up. Calc 64, plot 64. Oh, this is weird. It's telling me that the disc is empty. But somehow, I don't think it is. Okay. They mess with the directory, so you really can't see how big things are. Oh well. All kinds of creativity. Oh, here's another thing. Ace. Load. Da da da. Caution, do not use on MSD. I wonder why. Now here's a thing that has a note but no disk. Load F-15 Strike Eagle. Oh. It's like instructions. There we are. But no disk. Interesting. Interesting indeed. I'll have to look up ice pick. Let's see what's what. So this, I would suspect, is loading a calc, as in like a spreadsheet thing. And that's a beautiful thing. But it's a slow, yeah, there we are. Spreadsheet, print spreadsheet, list assumptions, user functions, directory. H for help. Introduction. Calc 64 operates in two modes, cursor mode and action mode. Cursor mode, in this mode, you can move up and down, left and right, using the cursor, da 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 da. This will allow you to view entire spreadsheet. You will know you are in cursor mode if the cursor mode is flashing. You can change the information in a cell. Action mode. This is the mode you are in when the spreadsheet first loaded in action mode, the wide cursor will not be flashing and the small cursor will be flashing at the bottom. Oh, and it's good that they have these instructions in here. Just a moment. Alexa! Stop! Okay. All right. So I will have to check this out. I've often pondered using a spreadsheet to keep track of the various machines that I have and the status of them, but I have not at the moment. So that alarm tells me it is probably time to move on. But because I'm here and I will do a directory. I will, using the basic 4 commands that are in Bradley's Basic, I will load this program to torment this disk drive some more. I think every disk drive deserves to be tormented at some point. I will put this back in the disk carrier. I will grab a random blank disk, which has probably never been formatted. And indeed it has not. And I'll just put in 50. And we'll let her go. We shall. I don't know what else I'll do later, but at the moment, I'll turn this off. Turn this off because we're going off the air. And yes, I finally have my big light on its own thing that I can turn it off. Yeehaw. So thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. I guess at some point I should explore the various chess programs, but not today. Bye for now.